Ever wondered how to balance studies, work, fitness, and skincare in a single day? Welcome to the world of effective time management. This isn't just about ticking off tasks on a to-do list. We're talking about a holistic approach that encompasses your studies, your work, your fitness, and yes, even your skincare routine. Imagine having a day that's not just productive, but also fulfilling. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we break down the ideal student timetable. Firstly, let's tackle the big one: studies. Now, when it comes to studying, it's not about the number of hours you put in, but rather the quality of those hours. The key is to study smart, not hard. So, how do we do this? Let's start with your study environment. It should be distraction-free. This means turning off your phone notifications, finding a quiet space, and ensuring you have all your study materials at hand. An organized environment leads to an organized mind. Next, we have the Pomodoro technique. This involves studying for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. These short, focused bursts of study time can dramatically increase your concentration and retention. But don't forget, breaks are just as important as study time. Your brain needs time to absorb information, so don't feel guilty about taking a breather. It's not about studying longer, but studying smarter. And remember, it's crucial to stay hydrated and nourished during your study sessions. Your brain needs fuel to function at its best, so keep a water bottle and some healthy snacks nearby. Lastly, remember to review what you've learned. This could be at the end of the day or the start of your next study session. Reviewing helps to reinforce the information in your memory, making it easier to recall when needed. Remember, it's not about studying longer, but studying smarter. Next up, making the most out of your spare time. As students, there's a world of opportunities out there waiting for you to tap into. It's all about exploring new avenues to earn while you learn. Have you ever considered freelancing? It's a flexible way to utilize your skills, from writing to graphic designing, and earn a decent income. Or how about online gigs? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer a platform to showcase your talents and earn from the comfort of your dorm. Don't overlook part-time opportunities either. They not only provide a steady income, but also offer valuable, real-world experience. The key here is to find something that aligns with your schedule and doesn't hinder your studies. Remember, it's not just about earning some extra cash. It's about gaining practical experience, learning new skills, and getting a taste of the professional world. Earning while learning gives you valuable experience and a head start in the real world. Don't forget, your health is your wealth. Now let's pivot to a non-negotiable aspect of your daily routine: fitness and self-care. Remember, a healthy body and mind are instrumental in driving productivity and maintaining focus, so it's essential to carve out at least 1 hour of your day for exercise and skincare. First, let's talk fitness. You don't need to be a gym rat or a marathon runner to stay fit. A brisk walk in the park, a quick yoga session, or even a dance-off with your favorite tunes can get your heart pumping and muscles working. The key is consistency and enjoyment. Choose a form of exercise that you love, and you'll find it easier to stick to your routine. Next, skincare. Now, we're not suggesting a 10-step routine. Instead, opt for a simple yet effective regimen that keeps your skin clean, hydrated, and protected. A basic skincare routine typically includes cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. And no, this isn't just for the ladies. Gentlemen, your skin needs love, too. Incorporating fitness and skincare into your daily routine might seem like a chore at first, but trust us, the benefits are worth it. Regular exercise helps reduce stress, improve mood, and increase energy levels. A good skincare routine keeps your skin healthy, radiant, and ready to face the day. Taking care of your body and skin boosts your productivity and confidence. So prioritize your well-being. After all, you're not just studying and working hard for a successful future, but a healthy and happy one too. So can you really balance studies, work, fitness, and skincare in a day? Absolutely. We've traversed the terrains of smart studying, exploring new earning avenues, and prioritizing fitness with skincare. The key is balance. All these elements are crucial, but remember, it's not about cramming it all in, but maintaining a harmony that enhances your productivity while taking care of your well-being. Remember, it's not about doing everything, but doing what's important and doing it well. This is the art of balancing.